Yeah, hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I will be explaining how to pass dynamic values to your filter function. Yeah. So in the interest of time, I already created this integration procedure. Let's go to preview. This is the data I am passing to my integration procedure as input. This data I'm having name, number. So here number is having different values. So now I want to filter this list based on the number. Yeah. So I created one set values. Let us assume this is data. What is the input? Some data. And this is my input. So click on this function. Here you can all out of the box functions will be available here. So filter fi filter. So the first parameter will be you need to pass by using list function. So my input data available in some data node. In this node, let us assume this is my input, right? Let us assume with static. Let us assume I want to filter number 3 records. So here there is only one record with number equal to 3. I want to get this record. So for this, so you can use that specific node here, number equal to and double quote value equal to 3. Okay. So if we want to include all action output in the Omnistudio response by default, go to integration procedure. So you can include this one, include all actions in response. So what it will do is if you check this checkbox, then by default all actions output will include in the response. Without this checking this checkbox, then you need to include one response action. In the response action, you need to include this action response. So to avoid all those, you can check this checkbox here. So let's preview now. So in the set values one data, now it will show only record with number 3. Execute. See here number 3. Suppose if I want data with number 1, you can use 1. Preview 1. If you want data with number either 1 or 2, you can use just number equal to 1 or equal to 2. Okay. Just preview. Now it will show 2 records. So till now what I have done here is I am passing my filter criteria statically. I don't want to hard code these values like this. Instead, I want to accept a variable. Yeah, let's see that one. Okay. So let us assume in the input, I will be getting one more node, filter data, one more node called filter value. And here value. Let us assume now this is will act as a input. So here filter value. Now I want to use this variable in my filter expression. So what is the variable name? Filter value. So here instead of 1, I need to use that variable name here. So for using that one, just remove one, include a plus symbol, two plus symbol, in between two plus symbol, you use that variable name here, and you include one single quote here, this side and after this side. So now this, now this, now it will take this variable value. Now click OK. Now if I use one should come here. Yeah. Now if I use two should come here. If I pass three should come here. Yeah. So if it is hard, it is if for you if it's difficult to remember this syntax, let's decode this one how to do. So without dynamic variable, how we can write is filter first parameter is list input. After that, in the second parameter, you need to specify your filtering criteria. Suppose if I want to specify number space equal to, now you have to put in double quote. It is one means one or two means two. Now if you want to pass this value as dynamically, then in general how you will do, you will create one variable, right? String var equal to some data. Now you need to use this variable here. How to use? Just to remove whatever static value, just put your dynamic variable name here before one plus symbol, after one plus symbol. After that, here you need to give one single quote. After plus symbol, you need to give one single quote. That's it. Yeah. So now here I'm passing input variable here. Let us assume in some scenarios, you may make one call out. Based on the response of that call out, you need to filter data. So at that time, if you are giving here, it will not work. So it as JSON. Now I removed that one. Now let us assume here you made one HTTP call. So let us assume I will store. So now let us assume I'm storing a response of that HTTP call out in this variable. Let us assume now I want to filter data to filter. Let us assume variable name data to filter. Here I will give 1. Now I need to specify this value in my filter expression. So how we can specify set values to data to filter. So here instead of filter value, you need to specify set values to colon. After that, what is our variable name? Data to filter. Let's see whether this syntax will work or not. Data to filter. Okay. So set values to colon data to filter. Yeah. Now what value I specified here? 1. Let's see, it should give 1. Data null. That means it's not returning any value. This data, how it came here? So I checked right here, include all action response here. That's the reason it is including set values to this data to filter 1 and result of our filter function I am storing in data. So here data equal to null, data to filter 1 it is coming. That means this syntax is not working. Let's put merge field syntax here. Okay. Let's preview. Now also it's not working. So here you need to pass, if you specify hierarchical data, it will not work. You need to pass value in single variable, single node. So how can we make sure this node is available in a pair, one single node? For this, you can use response transformation. So data to filter, oh, sorry. This data to filter, I will store in one top level node. Now we can use top level node is filter value. You can use now filter value here. Go to here. Now instead of set values to hierarchical data, just use filter value. Okay. Now execute. See here, one data is coming here. Now I will use value 2 here, 3 here. Review. Here now 3. Record with the 3 is filtered. Yeah. So if you are not understanding what I did here, I will be explaining this response JSON path, response JSON node in a separate video. Yeah. Please tune. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video.